In today's video, we're going to make our own rose water and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Rose water is wonderfully moisturizing and works as an effective skin toner. It helps to maintain the pH levels of your skin and can control excess sebum production. It can soothe skin issues such as eczema, psoriasis, acne, and other types of skin irritations. And rose water can act as a shield and barrier against harmful environmental threats to your skin. All right, let's get to it. We need 1 large heat-proof glass mason jar, 16-ounce amber glass spray bottle, 1 cheesecloth, distilled water, rose petals. Aside from the above characteristics, rose petals have antibacterial and astringent properties. They also promote soft and hydrated skin. When added to a bath, they support a better night's rest and feelings of calm. 3 ounces of witch hazel. Witch hazel absorbs excess oil, tightens pores, is moisturizing, and supports against inflammation. In a medium-sized saucepan, bring enough distilled water to fill the mason jar to a boil. As the water is coming to a boil, add enough petals to pack your jar. Ensure you push down on the petals to fill them all in. Once the water is boiling, pour it into the glass mason jar and fill near to the top. If the petals begin to poke out from the jar, push them back in with a spoon. Put the lid on the jar and let it sit until the water is cooled. Once the water is cooled, strain the jar through a cheesecloth. Next, add 3 ounces of witch hazel to a 6-ounce spray bottle, then fill the rest of the bottle with the rose water. Just spray the rose water into your face and let it dry. Use it in this way twice daily. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store the rose water in the fridge and use within 2 to 3 weeks. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.